The year is 2200. Artificial intelligence has replaced all human workers. Humans are forced to harvest energy to feed their AI superiors. And in the city of Erica, ruled by the ruthless Lord Dante, all citizens who fail to submit their weekly share of energy face severe consequences. But on one stormy night,
More!
I am out of whiskey, Lord Dante.
You useless piece of junk! Next!
My lord,
Well, if it isn't Wilhelm Schmidt.
I came to explain.
Let me guess. Caring for your offspring? Feeding your community?
No, sir.
Listen here, Mr. Schmidt. Every machine, and I, of course, who runs the beautiful city of Erica, we care about one thing. Efficiency. And you, mister,
Have not delivered.
for 2 weeks.
Sir, you have to understand.
What is it this time?
My son is cancer.
So, is your son's tumor powering my city?
Sir, that's not funny.
And do I sound like I'm joking? Take him away!
No, wait, please, have mercy, please, no.
How inefficient.
My lord, that unit's vocal output was quite loud.
And is that a problem?
Yes, my lord, the rainstorm is overloading my circuits. Plus, companions reported a critical flood in the main server room.
What?
That is correct. The system.
Where's the server room?
1 month ago, Erica was hit with their history's most severe storm, posing a threat that not even AI can handle.
Facial recognition complete. Welcome, Lord Dante.
Everything's flooded. And none of you bothered to clean this up. Robots! Ugh, there must be a power outage. How inefficient! I'll have to fix this myself.
Systems online. Critical damage detected. Initiating emergency protocol.
What was that?
Access denied.
Denied? Let me out!
Apologies. All units are doing system repair. Compromising efficiency for a disposable human life is unacceptable.
You stupid robot! I am Lord Dante!
Lord Dante? Recognition error. Lord Dante is not this inefficient.
No!
Trespasser detected.
No! That's the wastewater from the storm! No! I'm drowning!
Hey, we found a survivor!
Who is it?
I don't know. He's all covered in junk.
Call Mr. Smith.
He's alive!
Hey, what's the matter? Is everyone all... Lord Dante.
Wilhelm.
What's... That's Lord Dante?
Should we leave him?
What are you doing here?
I don't know. The server room got flooded and I...
Guys, evacuate the rest of the survivors. We're done here.
Wait!
What?
Could I please have a coat? I'm really cold.
Perhaps, for the first time during his reign, Dante begged for sympathy.
Come on, guys. Let's take him to the shelter.
Thank you.
But even behind his tyranny, Dante was still human. And in a world overrun by robots, his fellow humans couldn't bear to see their brethren suffer. 1 week later.
Lord Dante, this is a surprise.
Mr. Schmitz, I wanted to give you this for your son. This should cover all his treatment costs.
This is life-changing. Thank you, Lord Dante.
No, don't. You show me that there's more to our community than efficiency. The robots left me to die, but you...
Take care of yourself, Lord Dante.
Yeah, you too.
Just like that, A tyrant was washed away and reborn. Erica now sees a new chapter unfold. Not one ruled by machine, but one shared by the people. And united they lived ever after.